Okay, where are we?
Welcome to the Candy Canyon Kingdom, the sweetest place around here.
Whoa, are you kidding me? This is awesome. I can eat the whole kingdom, can't I? Let's find it out. Looks so sweet, to be honest. Yum! Tastes amazing! Now I can't stop thinking about trying out these sweets. I want more and more.
What are you doing? It's forbidden to eat the candies.
This food looks super delicious. Nice.
Don't even think about drinking from my
A
fountain.
tiny monster once stabbed me.
Oh yeah? You wanna dance, Daddy?
Daddy?
Bye-bye.
What did I get myself into?
I'm
Don't tell me
telling you
that.
what, you're totally alone.
I don't think so. Goodbye.
Where did Jax go?
I'm here.
Where have you been?
In the fountain.
But did you drink some of it, Jax?
Nah.
Hurry,
God, he's coming. He's gonna kill us.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Get on that chariot now! Before it's too late to escape! I hope you are ready to go now!
Where do you think you're going? Did your friends leave you here?
Pomni! We have to do something to save her! Now! No!
Please! I didn't do anything!
Not on my watch! That was too
Danke.
close for comfort, young lady!
My hero! I'm so grateful with you!
Getting on board, fellas!
You are going nowhere.
There's no time.
Stop running away from me. Good luck dodging all this.
hit me. I'm not on my toes again. Thunder crush. Oh, Lord.
No way!
Hurry. What's the main
But mine was...
I'm going to end this monster!
You are next, waiter.
I'll show you no mercy!
So easy.
Run away! I'll stand against him alone! Take the advantage to be safe away from this monster!
So heroic! But don't die, please! So lovely!
Wait,
Ouch, Jax! Are you jealous or what? Oh, got me good!
Don't
Take
worry,
care.
I'll be fine! Come on, there's no time, go! Don't bother this kingdom anymore! You're going to face the legendary Gummy Goo! You won't think it's that funny when I end you, you damn monster! How is it possible? Why aren't you dead?
Cannot cowboy crocodile. Really defeat that monster? Oh, sure!
You are not getting away from
I
me
can
that
try.
easily.
Maybe in trouble, but we must rely on his fighting skills. You can do it.
Another easy
This
match.
is bad. What now?
He was useless.
Don't you dare to insult him!
Ouch.
Did I hear
sorry.
something behind me?
No, he heard us.
I know I heard you around.
What are we going to do now?
I can't even hear the beating of their scared hearts, little rats.
Oops. I think I screwed up, girls.
I should accept that I was wrong. It must have been just
We are
the
finally
wind.
out of danger.
All right, then. That's good to know. Now we got to escape.
No way. We
Hello.
found
way.
it. Run.
Ouch! I failed again.
No,
Jax! Please, no!
Finally, your tears were tasty.
Here,
It's
Pomni,
right
hide.
here! Oh, my sweetness! We tried!
No way. What to do now?
Leave us alone! Go to your kingdom at once!
Are you kidding? I'm having a great time here with your delicious streams.
I hope to do this by my own!
Hey, what have you done to me? Don't find it funny, cutie. Be my happy meal, your sweetie highness.
submit me.
You'll pay for what you've
I'm really sorry for
done.
disturbing your fudge fountain.
Oh, that's all what I wanted to hear. A sincere apology.
Wait a minute. An apology? That's all?
Yeah, I just wanted to have a talk,
That's pretty
Hammy.
confusing, though.
Not if we take into account that you hurt my son and invaded our home, isn't it right?
That's true. You were mean.
Right, I shouldn't have done that.
Excellent, I accept your apologies.
So
That
gross.
was a gross.
I'm glad you're okay, guys.
Oh, wait a minute, Jax! Wanted you to drink from his fountain?
Just a sip, that's all.
Was it all your fault? Wasn't it? You're going to pay for all this!
Wait, look here.
Justice!
Woohoo! Today's my birthday. I've been waiting for this day with all my heart. I'm dying for inviting all my friends to the party. I wonder if they remember it. Let's ask everyone.
Okay, you're
I won't be so sure.
Prove it then.
Hey, what are you doing?
Pam, Jack's about to send the ball to the moon.
I hope you're ready, Kofmo, because here I go. Take
Jack,
this.
do you know what day it is?
Out of the way, you ruined my goal.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Come on, when are you going to kick it?
You won't be safe from this.
You know what day is?
Oh, my side!
Take this.
Dogma, are you alright?
What's wrong with you, Pomni? Why don't you go bother somewhere else?
You're right. I'm so sorry. I won't bother you anymore.
All right, check.
What? The girls must remember it. Day? Sabo! Guess what day it is?
now.
Come on, just try it.
busy, Pomni.
Sabo, my friend. Please, give it a try. Guess it.
I'm busy.
Please.
No. Shut up.
I'm so sorry.
What do you want?
Oh, it wasn't anything special at all. Don't worry, Sabo. Check. Hey, do you know what day it is? Sure, of course I do. Seriously? Yeah, today's just tournament. I'm so excited about it. Well, isn't it anything else today? Let me think. Oh, no, I don't think so. I'll try playing in tournament.
We are almost done.
Thank you so much, guys.
Why do we always have to build it?
Ho, don't know. Script's fault, I guess.
Nobody recalls it. Oh, maybe they do. Kinger, do you know what day it is?
Pomni, right on time. Help us with this, would you? Bring me that pillow, please.
Oh, sure. Why any of my friends didn't remember it? Or even pay attention to me today? I guess. Oh, jeez. No.
What have you done? No, my house!
This is all your fault, Pomni.
This is your fault, Pomni. I don't have a bed because of you.
Can't stop thinking of you, can't you?
No way. I'm such a burden to my friends. Why nobody remembers my birthday? Candy Canyon Kingdom? That's it.